Hi, my name is Josh. See you at Swit. We provide enterprises with a team collaboration platform that seamlessly combines team chat with task management in a revolutionary new way. Before Swit, I used to be a heavy user of Slack, integrating multiple apps in it like Trello, Asana, Monday.com. However, all we could do with those integrations is just to receive text-based notifications into selected channels. It's so frustrating to go back and forth between chat and task management. It came to my mind, we don't have to sacrifice interaction in the name of integration. So we built Swit to bring everything you need to get things done together in one convenient place. So you can turn your conversation into trackable tasks and share your tasks into chat channels simply by drag and drops. Finally, you could move between different workflows, maintaining data and context. People spend 60% of their awake time at work. So why don't you join us to innovate everyone's lifelong biggest portion of collaboration? Thanks.